Hey guys, in this video we're looking at the ESPRO P7. This is a polished French press stainless steel. This is amazing. Doing a full review. If you enjoyed this type of video, please consider that super thanks. Everything I do raise with my channel helps support me and do more videos just like this to help educate you. Let's get into all the details. Let's go. Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at an item from ESPRO. This is a P7 French press stainless steel double walled micro filter system. The insulated coffee pot itself. This is all stainless steel. This is really high quality, high polished. For one of the best coffee makers if you're looking for French pressed coffee. Now, a lot of people make these incorrectly. I'm going to show you how to actually make a cup of coffee. So stick with me. I'm going to show you actually how to do that. But this is the actual pot itself here. It's got the fill lines inside. It shows you where you fill the water. You got the minimum and maximum. 32 ounce is the size it can make up to. There's two different sizes that are available. There's the 18 ounce one, and they also have the 32 ounce one. So there's two different sizes. And this is how it looks. Now the double mesh is very, very interesting. The double walled mesh, you have one that does a filtering, and then you have a second one that's even more filtering, and you put them together and you get that double walled seal of perfection of coffee, with guaranteed with no grinds coming out, which is grind free basically, no grit, which is important. And this just screws onto the bottom of this here. So a lot of people do these incorrectly. I've seen a few people making videos and they're putting the coffee in this basket. You don't put the coffee in this basket. This is the filter system. Double wall filter system. You put the coffee inside here with the hot water. Put the hot water in, you fill up to the line, you put your press in, and then you press the coffee out of the way. And that's why it has this seal system all around here. The seal that actually seals the water, so the grinds, the coffee does not get into the water, and that's how you filter the coffee. So let's go ahead and do a quick cutaway. I'm going to show you actually how to make some fresh coffee. I'm going to show you how this works, and I definitely going to recommend something like this. This is up there with the best ones out there on the market. Super high quality. You can see the brand name right here. There is the brand. Turn that around so you can see it better. There you go. And we're going to make some coffee in all stainless steel, high quality, double wall construction. This is really, really high end stuff. All right, let's go make some coffee and let's see how it looks. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the type of content. Follow me more on this channel that you're watching this on. I really do appreciate that. And let's make some coffee. Okay, guys, so we have the actual coffee. We have some hot water here. We just heated up some water here. Let me just get the temperature of the water. It's around 170. Yeah, 170, that'll be okay. So what you want to do is just put your coffee first inside the pot in here, okay? And I got some coffee here, some nice fresh coffee. And we're just going to I'm just going to do this for demonstration purposes, just going to make a small pot. Make there, 1, 2, and we'll add one more. And that's that. So we'll add that, put that to the side. And now we'll just add our hot water, okay? And just pour our hot water in. Perfect. Now we want to let that steep. That's going to sit inside there. That's going to steep. Basically, I wanted to show you. So you can see all the coffee grinds in there. And the idea behind the double wall filter is that it eliminates all that. So let that sit there and steep. And we'll just cover it up like this. All right. And let that steep for a couple of minutes. And then I have a little cup here just to show you what it looks like when we get done. And just let that sit there about 5 minutes, depending on how strong you want your coffee. Okay, that's pretty much behind that. So we'll get right back and we'll see how that looks. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. What's really nice about the double wall construction, it doesn't get really hot on the outside, keeps all the heat inside the pot. Now, the secret behind this is really a slow, steady press. That's the secret behind these coffee pressers. And you just want to press them slow. Like that. And just all the way down to the bottom. Now, that is already done. And let's pour some coffee out and let's see what we have. I got my little cup here, clear cup to show you. Oh, wow. That looks nice. Smells really good. Wow. There we go. Now, here is a nice cup of coffee. You can see here, there is no grinds, crystal clear, beautiful, beautiful cup of coffee, nice and hot, perfect French press coffee. So that's all you have to do, guys. Just, take your time, put the coffee in, and this is absolutely a winner in my book. Absolutely. Let me just taste it real quick. Let me just see. Perfect coffee, no grinds. and really fast, as you can see how fast that was. Not long at all, 5 minutes and you're done. And microfiltration is fantastic. Take it out, clean it, and use it again. That's all you got to do. So really super easy, super simple. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Not too long, but really important that you don't have to put the grinds inside the basket. You put it in the coffee, let the basket filter out all the coffee, and that's how you have to use it. Really super simple and super easy, and that's it. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. I'm going to finish my coffee. Hope you enjoyed, and definitely recommend this for sure. There'll be a link down below to pick up this coffee maker if you want this item. Do get a small commission. There's an affiliate link, just to let you know, just to be fair and transparent. Also, there'll be a QR code over here. If you are interested, you can click on that with your phone. And I do appreciate that. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Enjoy your coffee, and definitely French press is one of my new go-to. If you saw my other videos, check out my other videos. I have all kinds of coffee maker filters. I have espresso, grind and brew, so all kinds of cool coffee makers. I love coffee, and this is just another new one that I wanted to try and show you. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.